वेलकम dear students. Myself B.D. Wankhede, assistant teacher of Sahitri Baipulli Madhyamik Shala Bhavanagar Nanded. Now, in today's class, we are going to see preparation of NTSC examination 2022. Now, in today's class, we studied about MCQs on circle in math second. बहुपर्यायी प्रश्न पाहणार आहोत मित्रांनो आपण सर्कल या प्रकरणावर आधारित. तर बघूया आजच्या या स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन्समध्ये नेमके कोणते प्रश्न या ठिकाणी आपण आज घेतलेले आहेत आणि ते तुम्हापर्यंत विश्लेषणासह सोडून दाखवण्यात आलेले आहे. एक्सप्लेन स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन्स ऑन सर्कल विथ आन्सर अँड एक्सप्लेनेशन. तर पाहूया आजच्या सत्रामधला पहिला प्रश्न. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इन today's class. Question number first is, in the adjoining figure the radius of a circle with center O is 6 cm. Line AB is a tangent at point A. If segment AB equal to 6, then AB equal to 6, then measure angle OAB equal to question mark. Second, what is the distance of point O from line AB? Third, length OB. And fourth question is measure angle ABO. Now first find out first question. Let's see in the picture, in the given figure. Dear student, in the given figure, OA is the radius of circle with center O and AB is tangent.
Specimen questions on circle. Question number first is, in the adjoining figure the radius of circle, in the adjoining figure the radius of circle with center O is 6. Line AB is a tangent at point A. If segment AB is 6, then answer the following questions. Dear student, see in the picture. In figure, O is the center of circle and OA is the radius of the circle. Line AB is a tangent. Line AB is a tangent. AB equal to 6. Then answer the following questions. First question is, measure angle AOB equal to question mark. First we find out the measure angle AOB. Measure angle AOB. Dear student, we know that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. We know that the tangent at any point of a circle, perpendicular to the radius. Therefore here segment OA perpendicular AB. Therefore measure angle AOB equal to 90. Measure angle AOB equal to 90 degree. This is the answer of this first question. Now second, what is the distance of point O from AB? What is the distance of point O from AB? आता बघा या ठिकाणी, see in the picture or in given figure, point O is the center of the circle and AB is the tangent. Therefore the distance of AB from point O is 6 because the radius of circle is 6. Because the radius of the circle is 6. Therefore, radius of a circle equal to 6. Therefore, distance of AB from O equal to 6. Means here length OA equal to 6 is the answer of second question. Now length OB equal to question mark. Length OB आपल्याला या ठिकाणी OB काढायचे आहे. फाइंड आउट लेंथ OB. OB here it is the center O and B is the point on tangent AB. Now in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, OA perpendicular AB, OA perpendicular AB. Therefore, angle OAB equal to 90 degree. Angle OAB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, here using Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras, we get distance OB. Therefore, here OB square equal to OA square plus OAB square. OB square equal to OA square plus OAB square. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square by Pythagoras. Now by putting the values of OA and AB, we get OB square equal to 6 square plus 6 square equal to 36 plus 36, 72. Now OB square equal to 72. Therefore, OB equal to under root 72. Therefore, OB equal to under root 36 into 2. Therefore, OB equal to root of 36 equal to 6 and multiplied by root 2. This is the value of OB. Now last question is measure angle ABO. Measure angle ABO. See at figure OBA or ABO. Here in triangle OAB, त्रिकोण OAB मध्ये पहा, OA आणि AB ह्या दोन्ही बाजू समान आहेत. In triangle OAB, side OA and side AB are equal. Therefore, the triangle OAB is isosceles right angle triangle. हा कोणता आहे? समद्विभुज त्रिकोण होईल, कारण याच्या दोन बाजू सारख्या आहेत म्हणून. आणि दोन बाजू सारख्या आहेत म्हणून त्या बाजू समोरील कोन सुद्धा सारखे असतात. If sides are equal, then opposite angle of that side also equal. Therefore, angle O equal to angle B. Therefore, angle O equal to angle B. Let in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, OA equal to AB, OA equal to AB. Therefore, triangle OAB is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Therefore, opposite angle of that side are also equal. Therefore, here angle O equal to angle B. Angle O equal to angle congruent angle B. Now in triangle ABO, one angle is 90 degree, that is A. Therefore, sum of other two angles also 90. Therefore, here angle A equal to angle B equal to 45. Therefore, lastly, measure angle ABO equal to 45. Since angle A is 90. Angle A is 90 degree. Here O. Angle O equal to angle B equal to 45 because angle A equal to 90, and we know that, dear student, sum of the all angles of triangles equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of triangles equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 90. Therefore, remaining angle O and B is same. Therefore, the angle O and angle B equal to 45 degree. Sum of these two angles equal to 90 and plus 90 equal to 180. Question number 2.
Two circles having a radii 3 cm and 8 cm touch each other internally. Then find the distance between their centers. Dear student, question is two circles having a radii 3 cm and 8 cm. Two circles here, and radius of first circle is 3 and another circle is 8 touch each other internally. Then find the distance between their centers. Find the distance between their centers.
Question number 2. Two circles having radii 3 cm and 8 cm touch each other internally. Find the distance between their center. Solution. Here R1 equal to 3 cm and R2, radius of another circle, is 8 cm. To find out the distance between their centers, we know that, dear student, the distance between the centers of the circles which are touching each other internally is equal to their radius. Therefore the distance between their centers, the distance between their centers is equal to R2 minus R1, means 8 minus 3 equal to 5 cm. The distance between their centers equal to R2 minus R1, and R2 equal to 8 and R1 equal to 3. Therefore 8 minus 3 equal to 5.
Now question number 3. In the given figure, chords AB and CD intersect each other in the interior of the circle at point Q. If measure arc AD equal to 25 and measure arc BC equal to 31, then measure angle BQC question mark. We find out the measure angle BQC if their arc AD and BC is given. In the given figure, the circle with center Q, AB and CD are the chords of the circle, intersect each other, enter the circle, interior part of the circle.
Question number 3, specimen question number 3. In the given figure, chord AB and CD intersect each other in the interior of the circle at point Q. In the given figure, chord AB and CD intersect each other in the interior of the circle at point Q. If measure arc AD equal to 25 and measure arc BC equal to 31, then find measure angle BQC. See in the picture as shown in the figure, AB and CD intersect each other in the interior of the circle at point Q, and if arc AD equal to 25 and arc BC equal to 31, then find the measure angle BQC. Dear student, we know that two chords AB and CD, two chords AB and CD intersect each other in the interior point. This is most important, in the interior of the circle, at point Q, which is given in the example. Therefore measure angle BQC, which is to be find out. Therefore measure angle BQC equal to half of measure arc AD plus measure arc BC. Half of measure arc AD plus half of measure arc BC. This is the property of two intersecting chord. By property of two intersecting chord. Therefore measure angle BQC equal to half of, by putting the values of arc AD and arc BC, which is 25 plus 31, therefore half of 56 equal to 28. Therefore measure angle BQC equal to 28 degree. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही माझा हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुमचे मनापासून धन्यवाद. आणि जर तुम्ही चॅनलवर नवीन असाल, माझे सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल चॅनल, तर जरूर करा. तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट्स करा. यापुढे असेच आपण व्हिडिओ प्रसारित करीत राहू. स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन संपल्यानंतर आपण राऊंड घेणार आहोत प्रत्येक चॅप्टरवर. भेटूया पुढच्या सत्रामध्ये.